What up, people? Hope your day's going amazing. Let's get right into this. So, as you can see, I'm going to Google. I'm typing in fun do-it-yourself projects, and I saw something that caught my eye. So, I headed over to YouTube, typed it in, and I saw a few interesting videos on it. So I said, you know what? Let's give this a shot. So let's close my laptop and head to the store. I've decided to go with some blue, purple, black, white, and silver. Now let's set up and start modifying.